kung talagang matindi yung inyong mga nararamdamang sakit, you're already sick of taking medications and paulit-ulit yung inyong bisita sa ospital, then I guess it's not really that great kung nadadapa. Kung ito naman po ay, ang inyong paglo-low carb naman ay dahil lamang sa pagpapapaya, tapos lagi kayo nadadapa, what it means for you is it will just slow down the process ng inyong pag-lose ng weight. So kung lagi-laging nadadapa, I really encourage you po to join the group para meron po tayong gabay, mga inspiration, ng mga kakainin, ma-inspire tayo sa journey ng mga community members natin. Kasi kung kaya nila, kaya nyo rin po. And every person is different, who comes into this lifestyle. Some people do the lifestyle because they want to lose weight. Other people do the lifestyle because they want to heal. Depende po sa pinaka-why ninyo. Bakit nga ba ninyo ginagawa itong lifestyle na ito? What is your reason for doing it? And kung gaano kalakas yung inyong why, that will really help you sa pagsusustain ng lifestyle na ito. Kasi the stronger your why is, the more na hindi kayo madadapa.